Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Car Warehouse. In this video, I will discuss 15 classic cars for sale under $10,000 that I found in the marketplace. Before that, I want to thank you all for 100,000 views on one of my videos. I really appreciate every one of you. If you're wondering how to contact the owners, I've provided the information in the video description below. So, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. The 1966 Pontiac Strato Chief, priced at $5,000. Powered by a 4.6L 283 V8 engine and a 2-speed Power Glide transmission, it comes with complete and well-functioning trim. The car is also very clean and ready to drive with just a turn of the key. Although not a show car, the LED headlight modifications and LED grille lights still make it stand out on the road. Its large size gives a majestic impression, although it does not have AC and power steering, so the driver needs extra strength while driving. Many components have been updated, including a new battery, battery tender, power cutoff switch, and engine mounts. The car is not for trade, and no low offers are accepted. The car is now stored in a warehouse. Number 2. The 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $4,200. A full-size convertible for summer fun, under its hood is a 429 cubic inch V8 engine, upgraded with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust with chrome tips, factory power steering, upgraded power front disc brakes, and a 3-speed automatic transmission connected to a 3.0 rear gear differential for highway cruising. Dressed in elegant medium blue metallic paint and black vinyl interior, this Galaxy 500 features additional features such as a classic Stewart Warner gauge package under the dash, a Shelby-style wood steering wheel, a power top, and an original radio modified to play FM stations and has an auxiliary connection for your smartphone. Custom 14-inch chrome wheels add a personal touch from the previous owner, but changing the wheels is an easy way to alter the car's appearance if desired. The car is an affordable way to join the classic car culture we all enjoy. Number 3. The 1963 Thunderbird, priced at $9,000. This solid car is rust-free. Powered by a 390 automatic engine, the car still runs like new, with new tires and inspection and stored indoors. It is reported that this car was previously owned by Special Interest Cars before moving east. The car appears rust-free, although the typical rust on the floor under the driver's seat has been replaced with proper panels. The interior has received new carpeting and headliner. The owner has fixed the power steering with a reconditioned pump, and several new parts are in the trunk. Although the engine hums smoothly, the owner thinks the carburetor needs reconditioning to achieve optimal performance. Overall, the car shows good care, although some repairs should be considered to maintain its prime condition. Number 4. The 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula, priced at $8,500. This is a coupe with a mileage of 130,000 miles, known for its clean and straight, solid body. The car uses a Chevrolet 350 engine with oversized pistons, producing strong power. It is also equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and posy rear, and this Firebird has satin paint that adds to its aggressive appearance. The condition is very solid, so there are no worries about rust or softness in any part, although there is some body filler. Driving this car is fun and does not require major repairs every weekend. Several new parts have been installed to refresh its performance, including new brakes all around and a new clutch with about 4,000 miles of usage. The owner is also open to trades for other drivable classic vehicles and not projects, including drop trucks, square body vehicles, and old Ford cars, or trucks like the reliable F100 Dent Side. Number 5. The 1974 Pontiac Ventura, priced at $7,000. A historic car from the 1990s era that has a 350 big block engine still in original condition. As shown in the pictures, the car has received some updates, including new front and rear seats, coils, leaf springs, and new shock absorbers. New tires fitted all around ensure optimal driving comfort. The car runs smoothly and functions as it should, driving, turning, and stopping well. Although not a new car, this Ventura underwent restoration in the 1980s and was previously green. This car is more suited as a cruiser than a drag racer. Currently, the car is still registered and insured. The owner is not looking for trades, only seeking the right new owner for this car. The price is negotiable. Number 6. The 1980 Camaro, priced at $8,000. A beautiful car in exceptional condition. The car has undergone a repaint several years ago, where the old paint was stripped to the bare metal before a new base coat and clear coat were meticulously applied. The rims have also been sandblasted and repainted to match the car's color. The car has a fuel-efficient small V8 engine and an automatic transmission. In addition, the car also features a dual exhaust system and an aluminum radiator. It is hard to find a 1980 Camaro as strong and clean as this at the offered price. The car appears to be in very good condition, especially because of the professional repaint and rim care done, with detail and good maintenance by the previous owner. Number 7. The 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $9,000. Powered by a new 455 engine and an automatic transmission with a shift kit. The car has also received several updates, including a new aluminum radiator, master cylinder, high-capacity oil pump, fuel pump, and a new battery, as well as Craigar wheels that add a sporty look. The car is in very solid and rust-free condition, showing that the frame and body are well maintained. In addition, the car is equipped with new headers to enhance engine performance. However, the car still needs a replacement ignition lock cylinder, even though new parts are available for its repair. With solid and rust-free condition, this Cutlass is a great choice for classic enthusiasts who want a strong foundation and some new components. Number 8. The 1970 Ford Ranchero, priced at $8,700. This Ford has traveled 49,000 miles and is powered by a 302 engine. The car has been stored in a garage for the last 2 years under its current ownership, and the previous owner for over 11 years never used it in the rain. The original color of this car is blue, with an interior that is mostly original, although currently equipped with 2 bucket seats that can be replaced with the original bench seat that is still available, albeit with a few small tears. The condition of the car is very good and still runs smoothly. Number 9. The 1969 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, priced at $10,000. Featuring a 472 engine with an aluminum cooling system and new spark plugs, as well as 20-inch rims. All features work well, including power seats and windows, although the AC is currently not functioning. The car is always stored indoors and has replaced the manifold gasket with a new one. The speedometer shows 26,000 miles, and its exhaust system uses a dual exhaust. As a great cruiser, there are a few light rust spots, but the body is very solid and has been oil-coated for added protection. Having been owned for 7 years, this car offers well-maintained condition and strong performance. Number 10. The 1975 Dodge Dart, priced at $8,000. A restoration project or for parts, this is a complete car with a 318 engine that has undergone several upgrades, automatic transmission, dual exhaust, disc brakes, and bucket seats with additional seating. The body condition is very good, although the frame rails and torsion bars need repair. Currently, the car can be started but still needs further tuning. Did you know? This car has not been driven for 12 years and last functioned well when parked. Therefore, you cannot drive it home immediately. You will be buying a project car that needs to be towed. The engine and body condition are quite good, making this car worth considering, and the ownership documents are also available. Number 11. The 1966 Chevrolet Corvair, priced at $6,900. The car is in excellent engine condition and has recently undergone maintenance to restore it to its original condition. Although some paint areas require minor repairs, the car generally functions well and only requires a little effort to meet safety standards. You can take the license plate and drive it immediately or tow it. The value of classic cars like this will increase with age, making it an attractive investment. Number 12. The 1967 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $8,000. A model produced for only 1 year, it has a 390 engine that has been lightly modified. The car has been stored for over 20 years and can be categorized as a survivor car. The fluids have been drained, and the car is functional. The car is mostly in its original condition, except for some modifications made in the 70s, including the removal of the AC. The owner is open to offers and may consider trading for a Corvette C3 or Kubota or other options. This is a classic example of that era, and despite the modifications, it retains its original characteristics. Number 13. The 1963 Chrysler Windsor, priced at $5,200. This car features a 383 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and a 727 automatic transmission with push-button controls. It also comes with 20-inch American racing wheels. The car has 86,000 miles on it and is a good candidate for restoration or can be driven as is, just as I have done for the past 8 years. The owner has always used 94-octane fuel and has stored it in a garage and heated storage since purchasing it. It is sold as is. The car is in fairly well-maintained condition, including being stored in a place protected from the weather elements that could cause damage. Although the paint or interior may show signs of aging, regular maintenance ensures that the engine and other main components remain in good condition. Number 14. The 1965 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $8,000. This 4-door car is equipped with a 305 engine, which has been modified with an Edelbrock 350 carburetor to enhance its performance and efficiency. The TH350 automatic transmission provides smooth shifting, while the front brake system has been upgraded to disc brakes with power brakes for safer and more responsive stopping. Although the rear disc brake conversion kit is available, the owner has not yet installed it. The exhaust system uses Flowmaster 40 series, known for its distinctive sound and improved exhaust flow. The car's interior has been updated with Dynamat and new carpeting to reduce outside noise. Additionally, several extra spare parts are included with the sale of this car. Unfortunately, some attention is needed to restore it to optimal performance. Number 15. The 1963 Oldsmobile Super 88, priced at $9,000. This is a very special car with a history of ownership by one family until 2 years ago. The car still maintains its original paint and has only 50,000 miles on it, showing how well preserved this vehicle is. The interior is also original and in excellent condition with no rust at all. Equipped with 4 new tires, the car is ready to be used with outstanding engine performance. A new audio system with an amplifier, 6 speakers, and Bluetooth connectivity has been added for modern convenience. Powered by a V8 6.5L 394Ci engine with a factory ultra-high compression ratio of 10.25.1, the car offers impressive power and excellent cleanliness for a car with original paint.